A truck tragedy tonight is raising questions about the safety of those highway hogs known as monster trucks. 23-year-old Casey McKenzie was buried today in her hometown of Granbury. She was killed Wednesday night in the parking lot of a Dallas strip club when police believe the driver of one of those trucks, who may have been drinking, simply couldn't see McKenzie and ran over her. The 33's Rebecca Rodriguez joins us live in Dallas with more now on the calls for better safety rules. Rebecca?
Well, you know, Dawn, those monster trucks are big business and big fun for so many people. There's really no question about that. But after last week's accident, many are wondering if there is enough room on the road for these trucks with just anybody behind the wheel. Police say Casey McKenzie stepped in front of Eric Crutchfield's Ford F-250 just as he was pulling out of his parking spot at the Spearmint Rhino early Thursday morning. She died after she was run over by Crutchfield's monster truck. He told police he'd been drinking and was unaware he'd even hit anything.
I mean, it's a privilege. It's not a right. And so if they want to enjoy this privilege of driving on a road.
Fort Worth attorney Mark Anderson compares the incident to accidents caused by motorcyclists racing down freeways.
And they're very defensive of their right to drive. On the high-speed motorcycles that you see on the road, most of them are complying with the law, but every now and then you see them zoom by you at 130 miles an hour. And that gives the motorcycle riders of those ninja type, the racing bikes, a bad name.
Police are still investigating the exact circumstances of McKenzie's death. Crutchfield has been charged with intoxication manslaughter. Police say he was also driving with a suspended license.
A vast majority of these folks that drive these vehicles are complying with the law, and they're doing it because they like those type of vehicles. But there's bad actors. But there's bad actors that drive regular cars, bad actors that drive motorcycles.
Now, Anderson believes at the very least it might be time to consider special licenses for those who choose to drive their monster trucks on the open road. Live in Dallas, Rebecca Rodriguez for the 33 News.